Have you ever found yourself replaying conversations in your head, sifting through old text messages, or just staring at a wall, lost in a fog of memories? It's not just about a breakup, is it? It's about an ache, a constant hum in the back of your mind. You thought you'd be free by now, but they're still there. Why can't you stop thinking about them? Why do they still have so much power? It's like you're trapped in a loop. One minute, you're remembering their charm, the moments when they made you feel like the most important person in the world. The next, you're hit with a cold wave of their cruelty, their lies, their indifference. You feel crazy, like you're the only one who sees both sides. You feel a deep, gnawing grief, not just for the person you lost, but for the person you thought they were. You feel confused and betrayed, constantly trying to put together the broken pieces of a puzzle that never made sense in the first place. And in the quiet moments, a question whispers to you, is something wrong with me? Why am I still so hung up on this? The reason you can't let go isn't because you're weak or broken. It's because you were tied to them with psychological ropes. This wasn't a normal relationship. It was a cycle of trauma bonding. Think of it like this. A normal relationship is like a steady garden, but what you experienced was like a storm followed by a single beautiful flower. They would pull you in with intense love and admiration, love bombing, making you feel cherished and unique. But as soon as you were hooked, the storm would hit. They'd criticize you, devalue you, or go silent, leaving you desperate for their approval again. This creates a powerful addiction. Your brain gets hooked on the dopamine hit from the good moments, the crumbs of affection they would throw your way after a period of mistreatment. You became an expert at reading their every mood, constantly walking on eggshells, hoping to avoid the next storm. All of your energy was focused on them, not on yourself. They created a constant state of chaos and uncertainty, and your mind is now trying to make sense of the chaos, to find a pattern where there was none. It's a survival instinct. Your brain is trying to solve the mystery of what went wrong, but the only mystery is that you were with someone who never played by the rules. Here is the most important truth you need to hear. You are not trying to get back to them. You are trying to get back to the person you were before them. You are not missing them. You are missing your peace, your security, and the version of yourself that felt whole and happy. You are grieving the future you imagined you would have with them, the promises they made, and the potential you saw. You're not stuck on them. You are stuck in the pain they left behind. And that pain isn't a sign of weakness. It's proof that you have a big heart, that you love deeply, and that you gave everything you had. It shows that you were a good person, trying to make a relationship work with someone who never intended to make it work in the first place. You are not to blame for their actions. You are just a good person in a bad situation. So, how do you stop thinking about them? You don't, not all at once. Instead, you start thinking about you. When a memory of them pops up, don't fight it. Acknowledge it. Say a quiet goodbye to it, and then redirect your focus. What do you need right now? Do you need to go for a walk? Call a friend? Watch a movie that makes you laugh? Start doing things that bring you back to yourself. Reconnect with old hobbies. Rebuild your sense of self-worth outside of their approval. This isn't about forgetting them. It's about remembering yourself. It's about taking back the emotional real estate they rented for free in your mind and putting up a new sign that says, "This space is for my healing. This space is for me." You are not alone in this. So many of us have felt this exact same way, trapped in our own minds, wondering if we'd ever be free. But you can be. And it starts with understanding that this pain isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you have a tremendous capacity for love. And now, it's time to redirect that love back to its source, you. If this video helped you feel a little less alone, please give it a like and share it with someone who might need to hear this too.